River number 2. Well, more of a lock. I've never seen telegraph poles in the middle of a lock. This is only down a farm track from that first one. Right, that is scary. I mean, seriously, right? You could reach down and touch that. Hang on, let's see if I can. Yeah. Now, let's see where the river should be and road. From here to there is where the river's supposed to be, and the fucking road's gone. Sorry about the swearing, but it's scary. That's meant to be a road. Now, these walls here have got holes in them, right? For obvious reasons, as you can now see. It just goes on and on and on